G'day folks, Frank here from Lloyd's Classic Car Auctions. My pleasure today to introduce this one here. It's the 2000 Ferrari 360 Modena Coupe. Let's take a closer look. This 360 Modena presents in honest condition befitting its age and mileage. The Rossa Corsa paintwork retains good gloss across the body, panel gaps appear even and distinctive. Pininfarina styling remains as striking today as when it first was introduced. This example is finished in iconic Rossa Corsa red. It's equipped with Ferrari's desirable F1 electro-hydraulic automatic transmission, delivering rapid paddle shift gear changes inspired directly by the company's Formula One technology of the era. Showing 45,809 kilometres, this right-hand drive Ferrari offers an exciting opportunity to own one of Maranello's most celebrated modern classics. This vehicle is an imported example. The vehicle is fitted with the 3.6 litre naturally aspirated V8, producing an unmistakable soundtrack that has made the 360 Modena a favourite among enthusiasts worldwide. Come on down to a Carrara and have a look, folks. What a car. Well, folks, there we go. Lot 385 in the July Classic Car Auction. Jump on at lloydsauctions.com.au. I can't wait to see you at the auction.